Hello and welcome to my channel. Right, I'm on today to show you that I'm making some earrings, and I'm making them for our lovely Dawn. And I just wanted to show you my technique of how I make earrings. So I have my ear wires, which are here. I have my gorgeous owls, which are here, absolutely beautiful owls, and I don't have any flathead pins, so I've got these, and all I'm going to do is, if I can show you, I need to use my they're the smaller ones, open this very slightly, hope you're seeing this, and putting my owl on like that. So my owl's on like that, and then try, if I can, to close this up. So I'm just going to bring it around so it meets that bit there. You see? Are you going to focus? Are you going to focus for me? There we go. So it just needs pushing around a little bit more to make sure that it actually meets properly, which it isn't. So I'm just going to squish it. No, still not. I'm not an expert by any means. Right, so it's meeting now, so I'm quite happy with that. And I'm going to do exactly the same with the other owl. Get my smaller. I need some new one of these. I need the other part, you know, the grippers, the crampers. All I've got is these like needle nose ones, and my cutters. I will be using my cutters in a minute. Right, so I'm just going to close. Oh, if I can get hold of it. Nope, you need to go behind there. I can't get hold of it. Where can I get hold of it? Right, I'm just going to do it like this. Don't do what I do. Our Dawn is so much better at, sorry, you just seen fingers there, at doing things like this. So I'm just going to, this is where crimping ones would come in handy. So that's all closed up. So I have them too. Right, so I don't need, I was going to use some, what are they called? Are they jump rings? I don't know. See, I don't even know the names of things. So, so I don't need any of them because I can make my own loops. And I need the owl to face this way. So I need to remember to do my loop coming this way so it can connect onto here. No, that's the wrong way, isn't it? Let me just have a little look. Right, so it needs to go the opposite way. I'll show you what I mean. So how I'm going to measure is I'm just going to put my finger and thumb in between my loop there and there like that, and I'm just going to cut it when I can cut it like that. And don't throw these away because they can come in handy to make loops and things, so I will be keeping them. So I have got this. Right, because my earring and the loop goes like that, I need to make my loop here go the same way. You know what I mean? So, no, don't want the cutters. So I'm going to put it right at the back where it's bigger, and I'm going to turn it so it loops that way. So it does need to be turned a little bit more like that, and then push it back. So you'll have something that looks like that. Then you will get, I hope I'm doing this right, you'll get your ear wire, and then all you're going to do, oh, can't get hold of it now, sorry, I'm not even on camera. And all you're going to do is close that loop up so it meets the wire there like that. which it doesn't. So, like I said, this is where crimping ones would come in quite handy. So I'm just going to grip that so it mates. So that's what we have. It's a little bit wonky, but it's homemade. So there we go. So it will sit when it goes in the ear. It will sit so you can see it like that. How cool is that? So I'm gonna make the other one. Oh, we don't want any sharp bits on here, so I've actually, if you can see what I've done, I've put it over there a little bit and it's got quite a sharp bit coming off there. So get that off. I'm going to flatten that out. I need some crimping ones, so I'm just gonna flatten it because I don't want to get it caught. I don't want it getting it caught in the ear. So any sharp bits, there we go. Sorry for the sniffling. So there we go. There's my first earring. Awesome. I've made jewelry for ages. Dawn got me into jewelry making because she's a brilliant jewelry maker. So I'm going to do the same as what I've done with this one. So I know I need to make my hoop going sideways like that. So I got that there. So make sure I get my earring on the right way like that. And then I'm going to hopefully do this one a little bit better than the other one. So close it up so it meets the metal. Oh, that one was so much better. You see? So there I have made, woo, woo, I'm dropping things, come on. Two pair, I haven't made two pairs. I think that would take me quite a long time to make two pairs of earrings. So I have made a pair of owl earrings. How cool are they? I reckon she's going to absolutely love them. But yeah, my wire work is not the greatest. I'm out of practice because I haven't made jewelry, like earrings, for quite a long time. It's been quite a few years since I've made a pair of earrings. So I think I will be practicing because these are lovely gifts. And yeah, I think she's going to be really happy with these. Awesome. These little owls are actually charms, which I got from an Etsy shop. I will try and find that link and I will link it below. She has so many different types of charms, and I bought them to make earrings. And I thought, I can make jewelry. So that's what I've done. Absolutely gorgeous, beautiful. I love them. So yeah, I just need to make a box or something to put them in because these are for our Dawn's birthday. So yeah, I'm gonna get on with making a box. I'm not the greatest at making boxes, no. So yeah, I'm gonna leave it there. How beautiful are those? Beautiful. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna leave it there. Okay, so if you enjoyed watching, please give me a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. And if you are not already a subscriber, please consider subscribing, and I will see you in another video very soon. Bye bye for now.